Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today our group want to present about our frond. We are Muhammad Syafiq bin MUHIDIN, JAZMEEN bin ZAINAL ABIDIN, and me is AMIRAH binti AZHARSHAH. Okay, what is all palm frond? All palm fronds are one of the biomass residues originating from all palm plantations, and it's a great potential to be used on alternative material for the composite boards industry that to reduce dependency on wood-based raw materials. The oil palm fronds are usually left rotting between the rows of the oil palm trees, and it's served mainly for soil conservation, erosion control, and ultimately the long-term benefit of natural recycling. The fronds take between 3 to 5 years to mature. Several types of fronds, which is pinnate leaves are the most common form of the frond. The foliage resembles a feather and is divided at the end into the individual leaflets. There is a thick central rib in pinnate leaves, and the leaves are emerge along it. And this is alternate leaves that show up on the fan palms, and the leaf parts divided into segments set in the circle and come from a central area that radiating outward. And other than that, it's a pinnate fronds that are unusual and resemble a fish tail, which have a similar structure to the feather palm leaves, but they are divided into two sections, which a rare structure is entire leaf, which looks like a pinnate leaf but doesn't divide it at the ends into individual leaf sections.
Assalamualaikum and hello, my name is Muhammad Syafiq bin MUHIDIN, metric number 209049. I will continue this presentation. I will talk about the quantity of the oil palm frond waste produced in Malaysia. On the 2020, there are research from the private university in cooperation with University Kebangsaan Malaysia. Topic of research is the sustainable circular economy in palm oil industry. On their research, they put this pie chart. I take this pie chart from them, so we can know the waste produced in palm oil industry. In this pie chart, we see the highest of the waste come from the oil palm frond, which is 36.58% of the waste come from it. So if we don't handle the waste properly, it will affect our environment. Next, I will talk about how to convert the waste into the bioproduct. The oil palm frond can be converted to many bioproducts. The process to convert is we can see in this picture, which is we will pruning the OPF and pressing into a machine to get the OPF fiber and OPF juice. OPF fiber, from the OPF fiber, we will convert it into the pellet fuel. We can turn it into the pellet fuel, composite, and bio-based plastic, and also ruminant feed. OPF fiber and OPF juice, we will get also when we fermentation these two ways, we will get the bio-based chemical, bioplastic, and biofuel. In the right picture, we can see how OPF juice is processed to get the bioethanol. Same waste which is pressing, and we can get the non-concentrated OPF juice, and then we concentrate it amount about 30 to 70% of concentration, and also we will store the OPF juice 20 days, and the temperature about 30 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius. The most suitable environment to fermentation is 50% concentrated of OPF juice and 50 degrees Celsius storage temperature. It is because 15 bioethanol, we can get 15% bioethanol higher compared to OPF juice, not stored at 50 degrees Celsius. Next, I will talk about the nanocellulose process. The nanocellulose process, the nanocellulose is another bioproduct we can get from the agriculture waste, and also the oil palm frond. The nanocellulose process, we can get the 3 different types, the nanocellulose, which is the nanocellular fiber, nanocellulose crystal, and bacterial nanocellulose. There are 3 ways also to get the nanocellulose, which is homogenation to get the nanocellulose fiber, alkali hydrolysis and ionic liquid pretreatment to get the nanocellulose crystal, and biological process to get the the bacterial nanocellulose. Nanocellulose fiber, also we get another when we get the nanocellulose fiber, we will also get can get the nanofibril when we do the chem mechanical process. Nanocellulose fiber and nanofibril also, these two bioproduct, we can get also get the nanocellulose crystal by using two process, which is nanocellulose fiber. We use the acid hydrolysis process to get the nanocellulose crystal, and nanofibril is using the ultrasonification centrifugation dialysis to get the nanocellulose crystal. The nanocellulose crystal also can be converted into the bacterial nanocellulose by using the enzymatic process. The bacterial nanocellulose, to get directly bacterial nanocellulose, is using the very biological process, which is using the fermentation media, and through the separation and aggregation, we will get the bacterial nanocellulose. This is how to get the nanocellulose. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is NURUL binti ABIDIN with matrix number 209055. To continue the slide that my group members have presented, I will explain about the application of final products for oil fronds. They were subjected that the nanocellulose derived from OPF is suitable for many applications such as tissue engineering, medical implants, drug delivery, wound dressing, and cardiac devices due to their excellent property. Next slide. The application of palm fronds. The old palm fronds can be used as mulch. The entire fronds can be placed on top of raised shades to prevent direct sunlight from reaching the plants underneath. And the second one, plant fronds is used to create woven craft such as baskets, hats, and artisanal crafts. And the last one is fuel for fire. Palm fronds, especially leaf stalks, can be used as firewood. And the conclusion that I can conclude from this presentation is, during harvesting, replanting and processing at the plant, the oil palm industry generates a significant amount of waste. In general, only 10% of the oil palm biomass leftover used today are employed as a biocomposite industrial raw material or as a substitute for wood raw materials. I think that is all from our group. Thank you for watching.